Welcome, everyone. Today, we are diving into a topic that could transform your academic journey. The first 10 minutes of any study session are the golden moments that define your focus, productivity, and outcomes. In this presentation, we'll explore 7 actionable strategies to maximize these minutes, using real-world techniques and examples to supercharge your learning experience. Let's unlock your potential to become a topper. Did you know that starting strong increases your productivity by over 30%? The first 10 minutes set the psychological tone, activating your brain's focus center. Think of it as the foundation of a house. Solid groundwork leads to lasting success. Successful individuals like Elon Musk emphasize the importance of building momentum right from the start. Let's explore how this principle can shape your academic achievements. Starting a study session isn't just about opening a book, it's about engaging your mind and setting intentions. Studies reveal that students who plan their sessions see a 20% improvement in retention. Picture yourself as an athlete preparing for a race. Preparation fuels performance. Let's discover how small changes in the first 10 minutes can yield exponential results. Setting clear goals is like programming a GPS. It guides your actions. Research shows written goals improve task completion by 42%. By defining what you want to achieve in your session, you eliminate distractions and stay on track. Remember, clarity isn't just power, it's progress. Jot your objectives and take charge of your time. Do the hardest things first. This isn't just advice, it's neuroscience. Your brain's energy peaks at the start, so use it wisely. By addressing the most challenging tasks, you gain confidence and momentum. Think of the 80-20 rule. Conquering the hardest 20% yields 80% of the results. Start strong, finish stronger. Environment shapes performance. A cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. Research highlights that reducing visual distractions improves focus by 25%. Turn off those notifications. Clear your space, and set up a sanctuary for learning. It's a simple tweak with game-changing results. Mastering effective study techniques can significantly enhance learning and retention. Active learning engages your brain by actively processing information through discussions, summarizing, or teaching others, making concepts stick better. Spaced repetition, a scientifically proven method, involves reviewing material at increasing intervals to strengthen memory over time. Note-taking strategies like the Cornell method or mind mapping help organize information and make revision efficient. Visual aids like diagrams can simplify complex ideas. Lastly, practice testing is a powerful tool. Self-quizzing reinforces knowledge, identifies weak areas, and improves recall under exam conditions. Combining these techniques fosters deeper understanding and long-term retention, transforming study sessions into impactful learning experiences. Did you know deep breathing improves brain function by enhancing oxygen flow? A minute of focused breathing or meditation can lower stress by 50%. This is a technique used by SOS and athletes alike. A calm mind absorbs more. Let's channel that power into our study sessions. Previewing material primes your brain for learning. Think of it like watching a movie trailer. It sparks curiosity and builds anticipation. Studies show pre-reading boosts comprehension by up to 50%. So, why not start your study session with a roadmap to success? Timers are powerful tools to beat distractions. The Pomodoro technique, for instance, enhances focus by breaking work into manageable intervals. Research confirms this boosts efficiency by 25%. By staying mindful of time, you can maximize productivity and avoid burnout. Mistakes aren't failures, they're feedback. Reviewing past errors in the first 10 minutes trains your brain to think critically. Thomas Edison famously said, "I haven't failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Use this strategy to transform challenges into triumphs. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We are constantly bringing you insights and stories about business, technology, and innovation that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.